Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics World, and today I am going to solve question number 5, half more question till question number 8, and the question number 9 has to be solved by you. So let's begin. Equal to 9 by guys 9 by 20 into 800. That means guys, again if I will start cancelling here, then it will be very much lengthy and it can happen that you will not understand. So the direct answer will be 360 answer. Hence total number of girls is 360. So guys, question number 6 is, a potato seller sells 70% of total potatoes and still has 150 kg potatoes left with him. Find the weight of potatoes he had originally. So guys, here we have to do, let the weight of potatoes originally be. Let the weight of potatoes originally B bx. So weight of potatoes sold, weight of potatoes sold, weight of potatoes sold is equal to 70%. That means 70 by 100. Wait guys, 70 by 100 x kg. Now I had taken a nice pen. That is equal to, here 70 and 100 will be cancelled and it will be 7 by 10 x kg. And now guys, here we will write left quantities of potatoes is equal to x minus 7 by 10 x, that is equal to 3x by 10 kg. So now it is therefore, so now I have to write carefully, I mean lines wise, because there is not space here. Therefore 3x by 10 3 by 10x, as I can tell both, is equal to 150. Now I am not writing kg, so here we will do it as x is equal to 150 into 10 by 3, that is equal to, now again I am not solving because it will be just confusing, is equal to 500 kg. So guys, answer is equal to 500 kg. This was our 6th question. So guys, our question number 7 is, in Rohan's birthday party, 90% of his friends came and 3 friends did not came. Find the total number of friends Rohan has. So let the total number of friends, let the total number of friends be X. And now number of friends attended the party. That is 90%. So it means 90 by 100 X. So we will cancel 90 and 100. So it will come 9 by 10 X. Here we will write line, and 3 friends did not attend the party. Did not attended the party. So guys, here a mistake has happened, that I was writing the rest answer and I had not seen that the video is coming blurry. So attended the party. Therefore, total number of friends is equal to 9 by 10x plus 3 is equal to x. That means x minus 9x by 10, that is equal to 3. That means x by 10 is equal to 3 and x is equal to 30. And here guys, I had not detailed the every part, that here we have to do this, here we have to do this, because guys till now you should have been understand, because it is very much easy linear question. So guys, answer is hence the total number of friends are 30. So guys, this was our 7th question, and our 8th question is: in the quiz competition, Ravi gave answers of 70% of the questions. He failed to give answer of 6 questions. Find the total number of questions asked in the quiz competition. So guys, we will do this question as let the total number, see here I had written the short form number, total number of questions bx and numbers of answers given. Number of answers given was 70%. That means 70 by 100 x. That means 7 by 10 x, because we will cancel it. Here guys, we will write numbers of answers not given is equal to x minus 7x by 10, that is equal to 3x by 10. So guys, here we will write as therefore number of questions were, and we will do is like 3x by 10 is equal to 6. So here we will give this arrow, and x is equal to 6 into 10 by 3. So this can be cancelled, 3 1, here 2 is equal to 20. So in our answer we will write, hence total number of questions were 20. So guys, this was our 8 question.
So guys, as today we have completed worksheet 1, 5th question half part till question number 8. As I had already told, question number 9 has to be solved by you. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. अगर अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ बिना भूले से शेयर करें, और हमारे चैनल को बिना भूले सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें, ताकि सबसे पहले आप सभी में से सभी को एक साथ नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए, ताकि आप हमारे आगे की वीडियोस भी देख सकें. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी.